Hi, my name is Tim. In the last video, I demonstrated how to insert an image into a Zoho Writer document. In this video, I will demonstrate how to edit and modify an image inserted into a Zoho Writer document. To edit an image, first click the image, then click the three bars in the top left-hand corner of the browser window. A sixth tab appears in addition to the 5 that are already there. Image. This tab has the tools to modify and edit an image. Tab has 4 sections to it: dimensions, style, arrange, and others. These are also the sections of this video. You can watch the video from beginning to end, or you can click on the link that corresponds with the section you are interested in the left column of this video. There's a link throughout this video that will return you to this point where you can select other sections of this video if you choose. The dimensions section allows you to adjust the size of the image either by pixels or a percentage. The first step is to choose between the two radio buttons, original size or fit to page. Original size will allow you to adjust the image in pixels. When you click original size, it will either adjust the image to the size it was imported at or to the size it's stored at on the server where you got it from. So this image of the Ferrari came from Wikimedia Commons. As you can see, it's stored at 3,872 pixels by 2,592 pixels. And as you can see, that's when I clicked original size, that's the image it's set. Those are the dimensions it set the image at. And as you can see, it made the image larger than what made the image so large that it doesn't fit inside the margins. To change the size, click on either the height or width box and type in a new dimension. Notice that I have this link button, which is the aspect ratio button, is clicked, so the width, just by typing a new number in the height, the width will also adjust. And so I've typed in 400, and to confirm that number, I just press the enter button on my keyboard, and the image is now changed to so it fits inside the margins, and the height is 400 pixels and the width is now 598 pixels. So it fits nicely inside the document. And you can also use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the height and width. So each click adjusts the height or the width by 1 pixel. Now if I wanted to stretch the image and not keep the aspect ratio, I would click the link button here, So the aspect ratio is turned off, and as you can see, I am adjusting the height, and the width is not changing with it. Click back on this, and see now when it's clicked back on, the the height and width adjust to the other accordingly. When you click the Fit to Page Reel button, the images, the height and width are adjusted to 100%, and they are usually grayed out, so usually it's difficult to adjust the size of the image in percentage. In the style section, you can set the image's level of opacity, or how transparent the selected image is, and its borders. The opacity can be adjusted by moving this dot back or forth. 100% means that the image is completely opaque, and you slide it and you can, and 0% is obviously completely transparent, so the image can't be seen. It usually lets you move it to about 10%. Image border has three parts to it: the color of the border, the line width, and the line style. Uh, Border color opens a dialog with several color options. You can just click one to select it. If you don't like any of these, you can select more colors, and it opens another dialog. Right, you can select a more specific color. The drop-down menu to the right of the color palette lets you select the width of the border. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pixels of width, and obviously none means you will not have a border. I'll set this at 4. As you can see, this is a solid line at 4 pixels width. And then the third drop down, or this drop down menu, allows you to have 4 choices of the line style. So we have a solid line. Choose a dashed line, a dyed line, or a double solid line. The Arrange section allows you to set how text wraps around the image. The choices are inline, square, left, right, in front of text, behind. I'm going to resize the image so it fits nicely inside the text. When you select any one of these, except for inline, there are margins to set. It's showing custom margins, but the other options are none, 1/8 margin, 1/4 margin, 3/8 margin, 1/2 margin, and then there's custom margins. However, before I show you custom margins, let me show you the other. I showed you square. Let me show you that's left, right, that's in front of text, that's behind text, and that's what inline looks like. So let me move back to square, and it's already set custom margins. So for custom margin, there's 4 boxes: top, bottom, left, and right. So click on the box, the number in the box you want to adjust, and just simply type a new number. Use the period button on your keyboard for the decimal point. Let me, so this point 750, and then press return or enter on your keyboard. And you can see adjust the top margin. You can also use up and down arrow buttons next to the box, so and it will, each click will adjust the margin by 0.25 inches. All these measurements are in inches. I'll adjust the left one. The range section also gives you the ability to rotate the image. So in the rotate box, there's 2 choices. This one, the left button here, rotates the image clockwise. And the right button rotates the image counterclockwise. And the degree of rotation is underneath the word rotate in the box. The last section, Others, allows you to enter the image's title and alternative text. This section may not be viewable on a laptop or a screen that is 15 inches or smaller. Simply type the desired title underneath image title. And when you move your cursor over the image, the title will appear. Alternative text is useful when an image link is not available because of a broken or changed URL or some other issue. Simply type desired text under alternative text. And press enter. This video has been about editing and manipulating images in Zoho Writer. Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe to OS College channel box and check out my other videos on YouTube.